No, there we go. Tapos, ah, yan. And, that is patay. There. There is patay. This is cotton ray. Uh, and then this is the open shape. Right there. That's the open sea. That's Songkolan where the seawall is. That is the Poblacion. And that is my yacht. Okay.